What's up, bag holders? Market was down, so we do have flip potential. If you recall from the last video, though, there was nothing on the screener. That doesn't mean we won't find something in this account. It is set up just a little differently. Uh, First things first, we need to go through and catch up the spreadsheet. Caught a nice day trade here. We'll go quickly over it while I update the sheet in the background. Can you see the trade? Is it clear to you? Not a big gainer, but that's all right. I like them all. All right, yeah, nice gainer. So you can see here, entry to exit. Same system, different time frames. That's a beauty to it. Let's go ahead while we're here. I'm not sure if we have anything on the actual roll for it, but let's go ahead and check out commodities while we're here. Looks like Bitcoin. Yeah, you can see us buy here, right? So we need to spread this thing up to the 70. Save it. So we did get in there, and that's it for commodities. So we're still looking to get in ETH, gold, and we're still holding silver even though it did hit the 70 again. I don't know where now I bought this thing. It must have been from around here, because it had to be further back than that. Maybe here, because I'm still buried in the thing. So that's that. We won't dwell on commodities though. That's all there is. So let's keep going through the list. Did buy Brown-Forman as part of my war on inflation, along with Anheuser-Busch. Have a happy weekend to y'all. You're out there working hard. You should enjoy yourself a little bit. Hawaiian Electric. That'll go for the next video. Premium content. We did get MDU Resources, which is our spinoff play, and this is part of our sale yesterday. And XYLD was our income purchase, and then of course we put into the charity as well. So we did get our order to buy BDX still. See, where's my damn circle? This thing's gonna really make me think I'm going crazy. We not circle it? Sure we did. Save the damn thing 100 times, I guess. But it looks like our price there, 238.51 a share. Bada bing, bada boom, we're in the game. All right, so I think that clears us up here. We've got a few more to talk about on the next video, but that's it for now. So now we're looking for a swing trade to sell, but also a potential for re-entry. One could argue for this one, right? But we already got our re-entry right here. We had the 30, but you could argue to get in here. The thing is, you want to be tactful about when you get in. And just all my stuff is gone. That's real freaking cute. Oh well, I guess the circle thing is overrated. We got one there. Okay, so we're looking for 65s, right? And all right, switch gears for a little bit. We already did the screener, so nothing on the flip side. But we go through. We have different positions here in the main account. So if we have something under a 30, we can surely take a peek. And there it is, 29.33 for the old Pfizer. The old Pfizer gave me the old rail this week too. So we'll go over that in the next video, but we will buy a tranche. 26.63 is closing print per share. And we got filled. So I need to do a little bit of math here. We have a huge position. This is actually my largest position. And if you look at the long-term chart, you'll understand exactly why. So, but I'm not worried about it. It's a good company, but they had bad guidance again this week. So, good companies have bad times. That's just what happens. All right. MPW got slaughtered. Jeez. All right. So now we're just looking for a swing trade. We have our flip trade. All right, Pfizer. We just average down. Nothing crazy. But we're looking for swing trade here. And we had one, I think that was one day off, if my memory serves me. Most of these will be on a topping pattern. I just say it that way because that's the pattern. It doesn't mean that's the top. When you watch a lot of these trader guys, you think that at first you think they don't know anything because they talk about, well, market go up, market go down. You're like, yeah, thanks a lot. But the really good traders, they're prepared for either direction. We're in both scenarios in our head. And then if we're okay with the deal, we do the deal. And if not, we let it go. There's no called strikes. So it's not like we have to take a swing. We don't. You just let them keep coming by. Some of these run pretty steep, and some of them just barely grind along. So they'll have a little bit different personalities, but these weren't really picked based on the stock charts. They're more based on the fundamentals of the business, how they increase their dividend, what is their payout ratio, how sustainable is the dividend, those kinds of things. They're all companies I could sleep pretty good at night and not worry about. But also keep in mind, I don't have all my money in one company either. So, not that there's anything wrong with that if it's a good company. I mean, it makes sense. But I like them all. And I got more addicted to the actual dividend payments. I really enjoy seeing that in my account. So at first, I just wanted as many of them as I could get. Not a whole lot, is there? Walmart would have been a good one, but it didn't dip far enough. You got to dip and you got to doodle. That's what Adam Sandler said. ExxonMobil is close. It needs a few days though. 127 versus 101.87. It's just not quite there. And you can see the last the last market move was really strong with Powell and all that. So we're getting close to the end. It looks like it might be a bust, but we looked, right? So if you didn't look and you're watching this video days later, shame on you. But for those of you who stayed consistent, good on you. We'll do a little more deep dive into the next video on the options plays I did for next week and how the options plays for this week panned out. So if you care for that kind of thing and it's not going to confuse you too much, I'll see you there. But for the rest of you, have an awesome weekend. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful to you, and we'll see you on Monday.